Did you know? Piranhas are not as aggressive as legend suggests. Most species are omnivorous and even scavengers, feeding on plants and small prey. They tend to attack only under extreme stress or when food is scarce, rather than relentlessly hunting as often portrayed. Did you know? Scorpions can survive being frozen and come back to life when thawed. This remarkable adaptation helps them endure harsh climates, allowing them to thrive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Did you know a shrimp's heart is in its head? Yep. Unlike most animals, a shrimp's heart and brain are located behind its head. Technically, it's inside its thorax, but because a shrimp's head and thorax are covered by the same hard shell, it looks like it's in their head. Wait, so they think and love with the same part of their body? Guess that makes them deep thinkers, literally. Think red pandas are related to giant pandas? Think again. Despite their name, red pandas aren't pandas at all. They actually belong to their own unique family called Ailuridae and are more closely related to raccoons and weasels. But just like giant pandas, they have a false thumb, a special wrist bone that acts like a real thumb. It helps them grasp bamboo and climb trees like a pro. Red pandas may not be pandas, but they sure are adorable. Did you know? Female lions do most of the hunting for the pride, while male lions primarily protect the territory and defend against intruders. Lionesses work together in coordinated groups to take down prey, using their speed and teamwork to outmaneuver their targets. Parrots aren't just pretty birds, they're super smart. Some parrots, like the African gray, can learn hundreds of words and even form simple sentences. They can mimic human speech, animal sounds, and even phone ringtones. And that's not all. Parrots have the intelligence of a 3 to 5-year-old child. They can solve puzzles, recognize shapes, and even use tools. Smart, funny, and talkative, parrots are truly feathered geniuses. Who else wants a talking parrot? Did you know? Komodo dragons are notorious for their venomous bite. Recent studies show that their saliva contains a cocktail of over 50 strains of bacteria, making infection another tool in their arsenal. These powerful predators can take down large prey by delivering a single deadly bite and patiently waiting for infection to weaken their target. Ever wondered why koi fish are so special? In many Asian cultures, koi symbolize luck, success, and perseverance. According to legend, koi that swim upstream and conquer waterfalls transform into dragons. That's why they represent strength and determination. They're also a sign of wealth and prosperity. Some even believe having koi in your pond brings good fortune. Beautiful, powerful, and lucky. Who else wants a koi pond? Did you know that iguanas have a third eye? This is called the parietal eye, and it's not like our eyes. It can't see images, but it detects light, shadows, and movement. This helps iguanas sense predators from above, like birds of prey, giving them time to escape. Thanks to this hidden superpower, iguanas have a better chance of survival in the wild. Nature is amazing, right? Next time you see an iguana, remember it's watching the world in ways we can't even imagine. Would you believe that some koi fish are worth millions of dollars? High-quality koi with rare colors and perfect patterns are highly prized in competitions, and collectors are willing to pay a fortune. The most expensive koi ever sold was named S Legend, a stunning red and white kohaku, which sold for $1.8 million. Would you ever spend millions on a koi fish? Did you know? Wolverines have a reputation for ferocity, but they are also one of the most elusive animals in the wild, with territories that can span up to 500 square miles. Their incredible endurance and solitary nature make them difficult to study in their rugged, remote habitats. Did you know? Tarantulas have tiny barbed hairs on their abdomen that they can flick at predators as a defense mechanism. These hairs cause irritation and discomfort, but are harmless to humans in most cases. Despite their fearsome appearance, tarantulas are generally shy and prefer to avoid confrontation. Did you know that every wolf has a unique howl? Just like humans have fingerprints, a wolf's howl is one of a kind. No two are exactly alike. This helps pack members recognize each other, even from miles away. They even use different howls for communication, warnings, and reunions. Next time you hear a wolf howl, remember, it might just be calling out to its family. Did you know some snakes have 3 lungs? Most snakes only have one working lung to fit their long, skinny bodies. But boas and pythons, they're different. They actually have 2 working lungs, and some even have a tiny third lung. Imagine having extra lungs just chilling inside you. Snakes are built different. Nature never fails to surprise. Follow for more crazy facts.